friends, this is a story called I See Candy. And this is something that you can color. It's something that you can write your name on. It says read by here. Something that you can practice reading. Do not expect you to know this now, but it's something you can look at every day or every once in a while. You decide. This is one piece of candy. And it says, I see one piece of green candy. Is this green? Not yet. So find something green to color this with. And then go through the rest of the book. Here, I see 4 pieces of orange candy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I need to make your candy orange. And finish the whole book all the way to number 10. And then you can practice reading this book whenever you have a chance. But enjoy it. It tells you about your colors. It tells you about your numbers. Have fun with it. Bye, friends.